Hello children, welcome to social science class. In this video, I am going to explain you chapter number 20, that is eating together. Let's start the chapter with mind mapping. When I say eating together, what comes in your mind, dear children? Yes, the time when we eat together. We eat together at the time of picnic, class party, wedding, festivals, birthday party, midday meal. We enjoy eating together in many ways. Let's know aim and objectives of the lesson. To know about class party, to know about Bihu, to know about midday meal. It means in this chapter you are going to know about class party, harvest festival Bihu, and about midday meal. School reopened after vacations. Students discussed how they spent their holidays. Aarti attended her uncle's wedding and had a lot of fun. Everyone was excited to know about the wedding attended by Aarti. Meena asked Aarti, "When did you put mehndi on your palms?" "At my uncle's wedding," said Aarti. David said, "You had a lot of fun at the wedding." "Oh yes, I enjoyed the wedding feast the most. At the wedding, we had fun with all my cousins and other relatives eating and doing everything together," Aarti said. Rihanna became very excited and said, "Why don't we do something like this in school? Let's have some fun together." David suggested of having a class party. Reena suggested having a party on Saturday, which is a half day. Everyone in the class decided what each would bring for the party. Everybody was so relaxed. Children enjoyed the party on Saturday. There was so much variety of food. They also played games. They sang and danced as well. Celebrating Bihu. Sonmoni woke up early and ran to meet her friends, Tanveer, Fatima, and Mazani. The village was celebrating Bihu in Assam. Do you know, kids, why Sonmoni woke up early in the morning and went to meet her friends? Because there was the special day in Assam. The village was celebrating Bihu. Children, Bihu is a harvest festival of Assam. What do you mean by harvest festival? Harvest festival is the celebration of the food grown on the land. When crops are ready to cut, farmers enjoy celebrating harvest festival. Harvest festival is celebrated all over India. But do you know, kids? It is celebrated by different names in every state of India, like Baisakhi, Lori, Makar Sankranti, Onam, Pongal, etc. The harvest festival, which is celebrated in Assam, is known as Bihu. The four friends made Bela Ghar from bamboo. The new rice crop was harvested. As you can see in the picture, children, the picture which is given below is Bela Ghar, which is made from bamboo. Magh Bihu is celebrated on 14th and 15th of January. The first day is called Uruka, and that day people build a temporary shed called Bela Ghar and have a community feast. Pittha was being made by villagers. As you can see in the picture, children, all women are busy in making something or another thing. Some people were cooking and some were roasting sweet potatoes. Water was boiled in tau, means a big vessel, for preparing cheva rice. Everyone will be served tea and pitha in evening. All friends changes their clothes. Women dressed in pat and muga meghala chador. Everyone danced till they were tired. The food was served on banana leaves. They lit mezi and Bela Ghar the next morning. Midday meal. Many children in our country are not able to get even one full meal every day. Many of them go to school empty stomach and cannot study properly. Some years ago, the highest court of our country gave an important decision. All children up to elementary school should be provided with hot cooked food. This is the right of every child. So, midday meal is served in all government schools so that children can come to school and study. Master Mushai sent all children to the hand pump at the corner of the courtyard. Do you know, kids, why he sent all the children to the hand pump? Yes, to wash their hands, as midday meal will be served to all the kids. It was 1 o'clock. Students stood in queue for the meal. Bhat shukto, which means rice with vegetable and gravy, was being served. Didi Moni said it was their duty to serve fresh food to the students. Children, in this chapter, you come to know about class party, harvest festival, that is Bihu, and midday meal. Now let's know new terms of the lesson. Uruka. The first day of Bihu is called Uruka. People build temporary shed called Bela Ghar and have a community feast. Bela Ghar, a temporary shed made up of bamboo and grass. Magh Bihu, harvest festival which is celebrated in Assam on 14th and 15th of January. Bhat Shukto, rice with vegetable and gravy. Bora, a variety of rice used in Assam which is sticky. Kids, I hope you understood the chapter and came to know how you feel while eating together. Thank you.